Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure both Manycam and Ome TV are installed and permitted to use camera and mic. This prevents permission errors. Once done, close background camera apps so the virtual camera can initialize. Open Manycam first, add a video source, camera media file or screen, and set its resolution. This step primes Manycam as the active camera. It's essential because Ome TV will only see whatever Manycam exposes. Make sure Manycam shows video before continuing. Now configure Manycam to act as a virtual camera. Choose the Manycam output and set resolution to 720p or 480p for smoother streaming on mobile. Add overlays, backgrounds, or media sources if you want, but keep CPU light to avoid lag. Check audio routing so your mic or app audio flows through Manycam, and then enable the virtual camera toggle. Confirm the preview is live. When Manycam shows a stable preview, Ome TV will detect that feed in the next step. Finally, open Ome TV and immediately tap the camera selection. Pick Manycam or virtual camera from the list. You should see the Manycam preview appear in Ome TV. If it's black, toggle the camera source, restart Ome TV, or revoke and regrant camera permissions to reset the device. Test a short call to confirm audio and video sync. If you notice lag, lower Manycam's resolution or close other apps. Troubleshooting tip: restart both apps and the phone if virtual camera won't attach.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.